yung mga bread na sinasabi mo, pinagmamalaki mga breed, palagay ko lang dito ha. Palagay dudong
Wala
ba?
yung egg, 1,001 lang.
Ah, this one is
Egg
like an
talaga siya,
egg.
isang piraso.
Imagine 1,000 lang. This is the best street food that ever I had before.
Saan po to?
Parang puto. Yummy ba?
Masarap pa rin yung puto sa Pinas.
And then meron tayong coffee angel. So mga double cuts is, dunukin ko muna to. So malapit na yung the acupuncture place. It's Taiwanese, but I think he was raised and born in here in Korea. That was my doc. So ni hao ma wahay ni. Super cold. Mga double cuts. So it's in there. Post ko muna ito. So mga double cuts, so malapit na tayo in here. So dito, it's an old style, but it's really good. Dito na tayo, papatusok natin ang ating puso. Papagamot na natin ang ating puso. Pasok tayo sa loob.